Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker. Government recently introduced a higher education amendment bill in Parliament, which addresses the question of institutional autonomy. The recent student protests over the increase of fees at universities brought the issue into sharp focus. A question has been raised as to what extent government should work more intensively with universities to ensure that the decisions the developmental and transformation goals of the country, how would they be dealing with those? In the meeting I held with university stakeholders on the 23rd October 2015 at the Union Buildings, we all committed to ongoing discussions on institutional autonomy and other related matters of transformation. As announced recently, I'm also establishing a commission to look at higher education transformation, funding, living conditions, and related matters. We need to get the balance right between autonomy and public accountability, while still promoting democratic freedom, which is enshrined in the Constitution. While accountability mechanisms exist already, enabling oversight by the Department of Higher Education and Training, it is clear that such mechanisms need to be streamlined and improved. The objectives of the Higher Education Amendment Bill include the following: to ensure alignment and consistency with the administrative law provisions of the Constitution, to address matters pertaining to institutional autonomy, public accountability, and to create mechanisms for expansion and differentiation of higher education institutions through institutional types, and to clarify the rights of private higher education institutions in compliance with Section 29.
No, Speaker,
No, please take your seat, Honorable Ndlozi.
I rise in terms of the rules.
Honorable Ndlozi.
Speaker,
Rule
no.
62.
No, Honorable Ndlozi. Take your
Rule
seat.
62 says that a member must refrain from reading his or her
Honorable
speech,
Ndlozi,
but may
take your
refresh
seat.
their memory. The president is reading all the time.
Honorable Ndlozi.
He must
Order.
not come
Your
with
seat.
notes
Order.
according to the rules.
Speaker,
Take your seat, Honorable Ndlozi.
order, Speaker. Order, Speaker.
Honorable,
Order.
can you please just also take your seat and let the president finish his answer? Honorable President, please take
Thank you, Honorable
finish your
Speaker.
answer.